Ready to go outside? What? Okay. Parker, you might need some better shoes. Are you cold?
Yeah. Hey, what are these? They're stairs!
Yeah, you climb up them. Put your feet on the green parts.
Not putting them on the green parts. Just putting them on.
It'll be easier for you if you put them on the green parts. Watch. Put it right there. Take a step. We'll get you your shoes in a minute, Parker. Just let Noah get up really quick. You can do it. Ready? Step up. I'm helping you. Put your foot up. Put your foot on there. There you go. You got it. Are you ready? Yeah, I'll sit right here. There you go.
No, sit down. No, I'm gonna be there.
You can do it. Noah. Ah! Come on.
Come on. Is the house one?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Can I sit down?
Right here?
No, this is the front of our slide.
Okay, I am in the front of the slide. You can do it.
No, sit down.
Come on.
I want a hand.
Buddy, you can do it. This is not like the other slide. You can do it. It's smaller.
I want to hold one of your hands.
You're not going to bonk your head, I promise. Ready? See? Was that fun?